So okay students, today we are going to discuss very important questions for the examination, and all these questions are based on your short story The Lament. The Lament, it has been written by a Russian writer Anton Chekhov. Anton Chekhov, he is known for his humor and pathos, for his zero ending technique, development for his stories, and we find few characters in his stories. In this story The Lament, there is only one character. The central character is Iona, Iona Potapov. He is also a Russian character, and he is poor, he is old, and he is a cab driver or a sleigh driver. When he is presented in this story, when the story starts, we find Iona with his horse, and he is married, he has two children, the son and the daughter. The name of his son is Kuzma and the name of his daughter is Anisha. Recently, only 1 week ago, Kuzma, the son of Iono, is dead, and now he wanted to express his this sorrow to someone, but when he finds no one interested in his misery, then he goes to his horse and he expresses everything to it, how his son died, or what were the last words of his son at the time of his death. So each and everything is shared with the horse, with an animal. On the base of this story, all the questions will be asked. So you have to learn, you have to focus only on the important questions. For example, the very first question may be asked, what is the theme? Okay, what is the theme of the short story The Lament? So now the answer is, the theme of the lament is grief, misery, sadness, melancholy, loneliness, isolation or alienation. There are so many themes of this short story The Lament, but you have to take the help of your title, as the title is The Lament. So this title is suggesting itself, the theme of this short story is misery. So how you will answer to this question in the examination? As the title of the story, The Lament, suggests, as the title of this story, The Lament, suggests, the central theme of it is misery. Okay, the central theme of this short story is misery. Now, Lona Potapov, okay, that is Iona. Iona Potapov is the central character of this story. Iona Potapov, driver, he is the cab driver or a sleigh driver. He takes several fares, and each time he tries to share his grief with his passengers or with the strangers or with the passers by. And he asks this question many times. He asks, what, to whom shall I tell my grief? This is also the main theme, that is misery, that to whom shall I tell my grief? I have so many pain in my heart, and to whom shall I share this? To whom shall I explain this? Or is there no one to understand my grief? So he asks this question in the story, that to whom shall I tell my grief? So grief, that is the lament, that is the main theme. Misery is the main theme of this short story. And why does he ask this question? Because even though he is around people, okay, he doesn't live in a forest, he doesn't live completely alone, but he lives among human beings, among people in this world. In spite of that, he finds no one to share his grief with them. No one will listen to him. Now the problem comes with this character that there is no person to understand him or even to give him their ears. Now other themes may be the same, that is focus only on this word misery. Isolation, that is loneliness, because he feels himself very lonely. Personal sorrow is also the main theme of the lament. Why? Because our this main character Iona, he has lost his only son Kuzma. Okay, he has lost his son, so it is his personal sorrow. Internal conflict, because he is emotionally broken, he is heartbroken, there is a lot of pain in his heart and he has no one to express this. So there is going on an internal conflict within our this character, main character Iona Potapov. He is a Russian driver. And we can also say father's grief. In the lament, this story, what has been described? The pain of a father, the misery of a father, the tears of a father, or the grief of a father. As a father, he cries for his son, for the death of his son. So this is also the theme of the lament. It depends on you what kind of words you express in your answer. So you can take any of them. Loss of a loved one, loss of a loved one, what he has lost, what Iona has lost. The loved one was his son, only son. So he has lost his son and that was his loved one. So the main theme of the lament is misery, grief, isolation, personal sorrow, internal conflict, father's grief or loss of a loved one. Okay. Now the second question, it is most important for the examination and most of the time it is asked. So I will suggest you to learn this very well. The language of the question may be changed. It can be asked in different ways. For example, what is the significance of horse? Okay, horse is an animal. There is no character of horse, but in spite of that, horse plays a very important role throughout the story, the lament. So this is why that I am asking you to focus your attention on this question, because it is very, very important that what is the role or what is the significance of horse in the short story, the lament. Another language may be used. How does the horse serve as a true companion to Iona? How does the horse serve as a true companion or as a true friend to Iona? Means you will be asked the main role of the horse in the story. So what is the role of the horse? Another question can be asked like this also, who served? Okay, same question, who served as a true friend to Iona and how? Who served as a true friend or as a true companion to Iona and how? Now the answer of all these questions, okay, of this one and those one will be the same. Whether you are being asked this question, significance of horse, importance of horse, role of horse, or how does it serve, or that is as a true friend, the answer will be the same to all of these questions. So focus your attention just at this. The answer will be the horse serves as a true friend. Okay, the importance or the significance of horse, that the horse serves as a true friend and companion to Iona when he gets no one to share his grief. As we all are aware of the story, of the plot, that Iona, he was feeling himself very heartbroken, very lonely, and there was no human being to understand his pain. There was no person with whom he could share his that grief. So now he finds whom? Then he finds the horse. He turns to his horse and Iona, that is, he turns to whom? Iona, had tried his best to talk to his even the passengers, the strangers, the passers-by, and who they all were, even the officers, the young ones, even the drunkards, about his son. He wanted to tell them each and everything of his lost son, how he fell ill, what did he say before he died. It was about to be a week, and how much time has been passed of his death. So he wanted to tell each and everything to them, but he finds no one. So finally what happens, that our Iona, this old father, he explains the whole story of his son, the whole story, as I have told you, how he fell ill, what did he say before he died, and oh, it was about to be a week. So everything is told to whom? To the horse. And this is why that there is a very important role of horse, and the horse served as a true friend, as a true companion to Iona, because it was the horse who was told, who was shared the pain of Iona, and the horse, he listened to Iona, to him very silently, like a true friend. So this answer is very important for you, and you have to focus on it. Now I have mentioned, I have answered this, okay, the same question, third one. So now come to the fourth one. What is the cause of the cab driver's lament? What is the reason? What is the cause of why our this cab driver is in grief, in pain, or why he is weeping throughout the story? So what is the reason, or what is the cause of the cab driver's lament? You know very well what is the cause of the cab driver's lament. You have to tell simply that he has lost his only son, and he wanted to share that grief with someone, but he finds no one to understand his pain. So he goes to, there was no one to understand his feelings, so he goes to the horse, okay. The same you have to write here. What is the cause of the cab driver's lament? So this was the cause. Fifth one, what animal, okay, what animal does Iona have, and how it serves him as a companion? Same answer. What animal does Iona have? Iona have a horse. Iona have a horse animal, and that animal, that horse, serves him as a true companion. So the answer to this question will be like this, and you have to give here the description of the animal horse and how the horse again played a role of a companion. So this is why I am asking you again and again to focus on this answer, okay. This answer is very important. The sixth one is, may be asked, who is Iona in the lament? Who is Iona in the lament, or what does he do? Okay, here you have to tell who is Iona. No doubt Iona is, in this way you will write what is the work of Iona, or what he does. So Iona, who is Iona? Iona is a central character. Iona is a main character. He is an old person. He is a Russian man. He is poor. He is a sleigh driver, or he is a cab driver. And Iona, he has lost his son. For that he is very sad, and he wants to express this feeling with someone. Finding no one, he goes to his horse, and then he expresses his sorrow. So within few lines you will answer to this question. We can say that here you are being asked in brief the character of Iona, right? Even you can be asked the character of Iona, but into the simplest language you are always asked who is Iona and what does he do. So in this way you will write. Now the next question, seventh one is, now focus here. The melancholy of Iona Potapov, explain or discuss the melancholy that is sadness, grief or misery, okay, or depression or emotionally breaking of Iona Potapov. Or you can be asked the same answer will be who is Lona Potapov, who is Iona Potapov and why he is so sad. So Iona Potapov melancholy. Iona is a poor cab driver. Iona is a poor cab driver. He is a Russian driver who has lost his only son Kuzma. Okay, who has lost his only son Kuzma. He is mourning. He is weeping or he is shedding tears. His death, he is lamenting his death or he is mourning his death. Whom death? The death of his son Kuzma. As a human being, he wants to share his grief to his fellow human beings. As a human being, he wants to share his grief to his fellow human beings, but none of them takes interest in his grief, right? So this was the main reason, this was the reason of his melancholy, that none of them takes interest in his sorrow. Now what he wanted to tell them, my son Barin died this week. He is even cursed and made fun by them. Now our character Iona, whenever he tries to tell his melancholy to others, he is cursed and even he is made fun by all of them. And saying what they say, just making a fun of Iona, we must all die. So getting no solace, Iona finally comes to his horse. It not only listens to Iona but appears to lament the death of his son Kuzma Lovich along with him. So this was the melancholy or this was the lamenting of Iona Potapov. If you are asked who is Iona Potapov, the same answer can be given. Now our next question, 8th one is, what message, most important this is also, what message is conveyed through the story The Lament, or what message Anton Chekhov tried to convey through this story The Lament. What message is there? That is also a very important message here, which we find in this short story The Lament. And the message, in this way you can answer just within few lines, within 4, and then you can increase your question. You can also add these lines. It depends on you that how many lines you give there to your answer. Nobody in the busy world had the time. Okay, you can start like this, that this world of today, or nobody in the busy world had the time to hear to a sad person. We don't have time. This world is so busy that here the people don't have time for any fun, and especially for a sad person. We don't want to hear a sad person because we always like to live happy or to be happy with others, but we don't like to be sad with others. And the line you can quote here, that the message is, when we laugh, the whole world laughs with us. But when we weep, we have to weep alone, or we weep alone, right? When we laugh, the whole world laughs with us, but when we weep alone. So these lines can be mentioned here to the answer to this question, that nobody in the busy world had the time to hear to a sad person. Like Iona, every human has a portion of his heart unexplored. Okay, we all have somewhere within our heart something to be told, something to be shared, something to be expressed. And there are so many feelings within our heart that is always unexplored, unexpressed, undiscovered, unshared. They guard it, stealing it from everyone. And it is the irony, it is very strange that we don't want to tell them to anyone, but We also want them to be shared, but with a friend, with a true companion, and yet they longs for it to be uncovered. Sharing it all with a companion. We want to share our heart, but with whom? With not everyone, but with someone that is our true friend, that is our true companion, that may be our well wisher. So, this may be the answer. This world of today, where we all are much wiser and practical and much more busy, get little time to spend. Okay, we don't get time for others, so we get little time to spend and share the inner self with someone. We wish to share our joys, our desires, our sufferings, but in this modern world, few find true friends. We all have everything in our lives, but what we don't have? A true friend. Are you getting this point? What is the message? According to Anton Chekhov, now in this modern era, in this modern time, we all have each and everything. There is no lack of anything, but what we lack, what we don't have, we don't have a true friend. We don't have such a man whom we can call our true companion or our true well wisher, with whom they can share their personal feelings. And this is why that we can share each and everything. All the materialistic possession can be shared, but what cannot be shared? Our personal feelings can never be shared. Why? Because we don't have a true friend. So this is the beautiful message from the side of Anton Chekhov through this short story, The Lament. Ninth one question is, what is the plot? Okay, this question is also very important, and that is why that I have sorted out only important questions. What is the plot of The Lament? What is the plot? What is the central idea? What is the story, or what is the summary? You can be given, you can be asked in any language, or you can be given any question like this, that what is the central idea of the lament, what is the story of the lament, or what is the plot of the lament. Generally this word is given, that what is the plot. So now simple, if you are aware of the story of the lament, you will write just like this, you will answer. The lament has a simple plot. Okay, there is no complexity, there is we can say that because there are not many characters, not a problem in understanding the theme or the story of this short story. The lament is, so this is why that it has a very simple plot, because there is only one character, Iona Potapov, and he is an old poor Russian cab driver. Who is Iona? Iona Potapov is an old, he is old, he is poor, and he is a Russian sleigh driver or a cab driver. He has lost his son Kuzma. Okay, the name of his son Kuzma, you can add here. He has lost his son. He wants to share his grief with someone. On finding no companion, he tries to share it with everyone. He comes across, okay, he comes across, but he finds how disinterested everyone is in his grief. So within few lines you can answer to this question, what is the plot of the lament. What he finds, that how disinterested everyone is in his grief. His agony, that is grief, pain, melancholy, misery grows, and he is thrown into despair. Despair, that is simply he was heartbroken, in depression, in frustration, in grief, in melancholy, he is thrown, and he finally, he, who is this he? Iona, the main character, he finally decides to talk his heart out to his horse. The horse proves to be a true companion, and it listens, it means that is the horse, and the horse listens to Iona's misery in silence. That how his son, it was Kuzma, has died. Okay, this is told to horse, that how his son, because it was only son, the name of the son was Kuzma, has died from a fever. This was the main reason of the death of his only son Kuzma, that he had died from a fever after a short illness about a week ago. Okay, only a week ago his death took place. So this was told to whom? To the horse. This was the plot of the lament. And the last question is this a satire or the lament is a satire, right? The lament is a satire. And how it is a satire? How or in which way this type of question may be asked? The lament is a criticism of the modern society. Okay, is the lament a criticism of modern society, or is the lament a satire on the modern society? Are you getting this point? This question is very important because the lament is thought to be a satire on the society, a criticism of the modern society. It does not matter how much modern we are if we do not have feelings for other sorrows. So this is a satire, this is a criticism of on the modern people or modern society, that they are educated, they are highly modern or they are ultra modern, but there is no use of their modernity, of their education, of their intellectuality if they do not have any feelings for human beings. If they are unable to understand the pain of a human being, that their education, their modernity is only zero, it is completely useless. That is the reason that we can say that this short story, The Lament, is a social criticism of modern society, right? So The Lament is a satire on how disengaged humans are, disengaged, disinterested or completely selfish humans are, that one has to find a true friend in an animal. It is really very shameful for man or for human beings or for this modern society that one has to find a solace in an animal. One has to share his grief to an animal horse. Iona is portrayed with his horse. Iona is portrayed with his horse. He is struck with his loss. Okay, what loss? That he has lost his only son. He is melancholic, he is full of grief, and he wants someone to share his grief with. So in this way you will start to tell the story. But he is left unheard, and his heavy heart knows no one to release his burden to. He finds solace in the company of his horse. He speaks to the silent horse and explains how he lost his younger son. He laments that he is old and poor and he will be having trouble earning because he is poor. So now, losing his only son, he is going to get a lot of problem in getting money. So this is the social criticism, this is a satire on modern era. All these were only 10 questions important for the examination. Again the last one, I am going to tell you within few lines the answer to this question. What is the significance of horse in the lament, right? The horse, the answer, the horse serves as a true friend and companion to Iona. When he gets no one to share his grief, the horse comes to his rescue. It not only listens to him, but appears to lament the death of Kuzma Lonich along with him. That's all. Only this answer will be sufficient.